Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. It's your girl Concordia. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel, guys. So today's video is a get ready with me video. I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. Okay, so first I'm going to apply my toner all over my face using a cotton bud. Now I'm going to apply my primer on my face, mostly around my T-zone area, and I'm also going to color correct those dark circles under my eyes and the dark spots on my face. Guys, don't forget to click that like button if you enjoyed this tutorial and you got something from it. Also leave down your comments. I'll make sure to reply to every one of them. And the most important of all, please support my channel by clicking on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. I upload new videos every week. So back to the tutorial, guys. So I applied my foundation and now I'm going to conceal my eyes and my nose and then my cupid's bow. So guys, while I wait for the makeup, for the concealer to set a little bit, I am going to draw my brows. I am using a brown pencil to fill in my brows. So guys, I would love to hear from you what makeup looks that you want to see from me, and I will create them. So leave down your comments and your suggestions down below. Now I just picked up this pressed powder. It's a sheer mineral pressed powder, and I am going to use this to set my concealer first and the whole of my face before picking up my setting powder. Now using a brush, I am going to apply my setting powder on the places where I highlighted with the concealer. I am just going to do this lightly, not too much. And now to add some definition back to my face, I am going to pick my usual Strong Soul contour palette. And I'm going to use this to contour under my cheekbones, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. In my next video, guys, I am going to show you how you can use your eyeshadow palette to contour your face and also to highlight your brow bone and your cheekbones and your nose. So if you're interested in that kind of tutorial, click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload that video. So guys, click on that subscribe button right now. So picking up the eyeshadow palette is the Morphe 35O palette. I am going to go into the warm brown shade and also the darker brown shade, and just do something simple and easy with my eyes, as you can see, because this is meant to be a casual daytime look. Now picking my mascara, I am going to apply this on my lashes and then apply my falsies. Now I am going to apply my lipstick, and I'm using this red lipstick in the shade Passion. Yeah, but first I am going to line my lips using this red lip liner, and this is going to make the red lipstick stay on longer. As you can see, this lip liner is very Good. Now I'm applying that red lipstick using a lip brush for precision. Time for highlighter. I am going to highlight the eye points of my face. Now I'm going to set my makeup using the setting spray. Yay! This is the finished look, guys. If you stayed this long, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe. Until next time, bye.